Hi! In front of me is TCL for DSE, and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this device. Firstly, select one of your apps, for example browser, and click on this button with 3 lines. Now you need to swipe your app to the top right corner. And as you can see, now I can use it in the setup window over here. If you wish to use it overlay other apps, just tap on the other app and operate in both of them. If you wish to close it though, you need to choose Home button, then click on this button with 3 lines and simply close your app in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!